folks. Well, today is December the 8th at about 1 p.m. It's a Friday, and I haven't filmed all the work I've been doing on this new vegetable garden bed that I'm moving from right here, that had railroad cross ties on it that I've been using to plant tomatoes and okra and some other stuff. So I'm transitioning all of this dirt now, but I finally got the wall completed out of those blocks. Those blocks are 18 inches long, 12 inches deep, and 8 inches thick. They weigh about 55 pounds a piece. And I think I showed a video. I'll clip it in with the other video of the wall. But this is of where I started. And I did not film it because I keep forgetting to get my camera to come and film it. Anyway, I've got it where I want it. I'm going to put little plates on top all the way around when I get the dirt in. And then I've got on the trailer, I had some crushing run, and I'm going to be cleaning some of this out all the way around, and to trim it up with crushing run around the side, kind of keep the weeds from coming up in it and those type of things. And so I'll do that all the way around. But I've got a bit of dirt here to move. I may not need as much dirt as I think. I've got to buy some more dirt, and dirt is very scarce over here, good quality dirt. And there's a guy I know that's got sifted dirt, and I'm going to be buying some. I said I wanted 4 scoops from him, but I don't know. Probably 3 is going to be all I need, but we'll see. I may buy 4 because I do put it over here and just stockpile it just in case I need some good dirt. I have a bunch of these blocks left over, and so what I thought I would do later on, since my back recovers from getting all that done, I was going to just cut a trench. I was going to just cut a trench right here and stack them, and then if I have any dirt left over, I'll just put it in there. This is all dirt that I've put in here and tilled up, and I keep broke up and those type of things. It's kind of looks like it's settling in pretty good with the other, but this is where I come if I want some good soil for something. So I've got to replenish that and probably build that up some more once I get that wall built. But that's a bit later on. The main goal is to get that dirt from over there. Let me get where it's not in the sunlight. Get that dirt over there. Get the rest of the dirt filled up to the top of that block. Lay the top layer of the block, and I'll be ready to plant some stuff in the spring. I'll probably buy some compost manure and put in there and till it in, but that's a little bit later after the first of the year. It's come along pretty good. It's been kind of a, man, those bricks are heavy. And this, as you can see, I had to, because it goes up, I had to tear it around to get it all level. And I decided I wasn't going to go any more than 3 blocks. That's a lot of dirt over there. And so I decided I wasn't going to go any more than 3 blocks. And I don't know, I may put a couple in here because this is kind of shallow to bring this up. I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, that's my project, and I'll get you caught up when I get more dirt in there. Okay, talk to you later. Have a good day. Well, good morning, folks. Today is December the 13th, 2023. It's about 7:45 in the morning. I finally got to, I think on my other video I showed where I'd gotten my block laid and now I'm transferring all of that dirt. I've got about 3/4 of it up from my old garden. It's got a little mat underneath it, a weed mat, and I'm going to be pulling that up, but I got just a little bit more dirt, maybe 4 or 5 more loads, and I'm going to dump it in here. And I'm pulling it with my 4-wheeler with that little tub wagon, and backfilling this to figure out how much dirt I'm going to need to buy to finish filling this in. I had about 30 blocks left over, and I got a whole bunch of crush and run. I'm going to see if I can give that to someone. But I laid these blocks, and this is my holding, kind of my mulch, extra dirt pile that I have, because you can't find any real good dirt over here. So I'm probably going to get 3 scoops of dirt, backfill maybe 4, and if I have any left over, I'll just throw it in here, and that will be my reserve backup. But I had these extra stones, and so I thought I'd lay them here, and I've got to buy the caps for them once I get the dirt all in, and buy the caps for these. So anyway, that's what I'm doing today. And basically I'm pulling this little tub up here from my 4-wheeler, backing in here and dumping it. I was bringing it around to the front and shoveling it out, and I thought, well, it might go a little quicker if I pulled it around. It's kind of frosty this morning, probably about 28 degrees, and it's got a good frost on everything. It's iced up. So okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing today, and so I'm going to get to it. Well, it is now 9:15, and I got the majority of the dirt up. So now I'm pulling this fabric up that I had on the bottom and skimming off the dirt on it. It's coming up a lot easier than I anticipated. So I'm just rolling it up and catching a pile of dirt and shoveling it and putting it in my tub. And so I'm almost through moving all the dirt, and I'll just let this grow back into weeds and grass. This is coming along pretty good as far as the backfill. There's a lot. I'm not going to need as much dirt as I thought, and which is okay. I mean, I'm digging and moving dirt like crazy. So anyway, I probably could finish it up by using some of that dirt that I have piled over there, but I kind of want to keep that just in case type thing. So once I get this all backfilled, then I'll come in and I'm going to pull some of the dirt back right in here, and then I'm going to start putting the crush and run around the bottom. I put it down pretty quick, because thick, because I have a lot, and what that really will do will kind of keep some of the grass and the weeds from coming up from right in here, so I don't have to weed eat it or spray it. Okay, so let me get finished with this. I'm hoping I'll be through in probably about 30-40 minutes. And like I said, it's 9:15, so I've been out here for about an hour and a half, making pretty good progress. But okay, so let me get back to shoveling dirt. Well, all right, I got all the little mat up that I had down that the dirt was sitting on to keep weeds coming up. So now weeds and grass can whatever grow here, and I got all the dirt up that I could get up, and I'm getting there. I got to fill all that in over there, so I'm gonna get probably, I don't know, at least 2 scoops, maybe 3 scoops of dirt, sifted dirt, to put over there. And then I'll start working on digging this out right in here. I'll just take it and throw the dirt up over the top over here, and then I'll come in and put that crush and run in here, put a pretty good bit, you know. Okay, well, I'm tired. It's 10:06 in the morning. I've been in that for about 2.5 hours, I guess, and that's all I'm going to do today. So I'm going to do something else. All right, I'll get back with you later. Well, hello folks. Today is December the 15th, 2023. It's about 4:45 in the afternoon, and I can't remember my last update on my little project here, but I did get a couple of loads of dirt. Got that in there yesterday, and then I kind of went around and I tried to make sure everything was level, so I put the cap on it. I don't know when I'm going to do that, but then I cleaned out around the edges all the way around, and getting ready to put my crush and run around here. I'm going to put down a pretty good coating of crush and run, and then I'm ready to put the caps on. I got to go get them. I think I've counted right. I need 45 of those. They're 18 by 12 by 4 inches, and I looked at this, and they're pretty much level, so this is ready for caps as well. So between this particular set of blocks and that particular set of blocks, it is about 45 caps I need to go on top to finish this up. Then I'll be ready to get some cow manure and compost and put it in here and kind of spread it and till it and let it settle down. Be ready for my tomatoes. So anyway, that's where that's going. Loaded up my four-wheeler. I think I'm gonna head to the woods in the morning. Get me a couple of does. I can kill 2 more does and I'll be done. So the last couple of times I've been, I hadn't seen anything. So anyway, that's the update for right now, and we'll talk later.